In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add scene transition on Google Vids. So first open up your project, then head to the timeline at the bottom. This is where all your scenes are arranged in order. Next, look between two scenes. In this example, we have these two scenes inside our timeline, and in between, you can see this small icon, which is the transition icon. All you have to do is click on it to open the transition options. Now, here in the transition panel, choose the style you like, such as fade, dissolve, push, and once selected, the transition is automatically applied between those scenes. You can also adjust the duration to make it faster or slower, depending on the look you want. Short transitions feel snappy, while longer ones feel smoother and more cinematic. Just repeat the same steps between other scenes to keep your whole video flowing naturally. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!